Y'all be wildin', he ain't bout it. Doing all that talking, but you strap ain't call nobody. He ain't scaring nobody. I'm a boss, don't do no following. You say.
What's going on, man? It's been a long time. I know, man. I appreciate y'all still tuned in. You know, I still got my subscribers. You feel me? But yeah, man. It's been a minute. I don't even know how to make a video, but yeah. But look though, this is gonna be a short little video, man, just to keep y'all updated with everything, man. I'm still getting everything. Motor's still in the shop. She's still looking good, you feel me? Everything's still good with her. So, I'm gonna go on and start with the cosmetic stuff. You'll see all of this. Yeah, I'm finna go on and start with all of this, man. You know what I'm saying? All right here. Yeah, so I'm finna sand this down. You feel me? Yeah, I'm finna go on and sand this down. I still got lines all through here. You can see that? I got all lines all the way across. So I'm gonna have to sand all of that. You feel me? That feels good. That feels amazing right there. So, yeah. I went ahead and did the whole bumper. Well, at least all the bad spots. Then I turned around, did the car. Yeah, little spots. This is where the clear coat was peeling off at. And right here. Now this is not a how-to video. I'm more so just working with a how-to video. I don't watch videos on how to do this. Then I'm gonna just, you know, follow directions and see how I come out. So this actually is gonna be my first time doing it, but it came out great already. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do the hood yet because I'm finna go crazy with that. I ain't gonna touch the bumper, buying a new bumper because I ain't feel, well, this side straight. It's this side that I don't wanna fool with. This and this. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this panel, quarter panel, and I'm gonna replace the whole bumper. Probably with a new style too, but yeah, I'm gonna go crazy with the hood, so I ain't even touched the hood. But yeah, I did a whole lot of spot sanding. This right here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't touched this because, of course, the door. I'm gonna get a whole nother door. I ain't do this because I wanna fix this first. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna prime the spots. I ain't even gonna paint this. I'm finna go crazy with this too. It's gonna be stupid. Probably gonna do the trunk too. Probably gonna go crazy with the trunk too. So yeah, first I was going to just do my bumper and do the spots on the car, but I found out that I did not have a glaze putty. That's what you want to put on plastic. You know what I'm saying? From what the people been telling me and what I've been looking at. So you want to put the glaze putty on plastic. I don't have that. I actually have Bondo. You know, so yeah. So I'm gonna be riding around looking like I am. You feel me? But it turned out amazing though. You know what I'm saying? So I'm be running around looking just like that, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, man, so the video probably gonna be in 2 or 3 parts. More than likely it's gonna be 3 because like I said, for the top half of the car, this part, this trunk, cause those are not getting painted. And this hood, I'm going stupid. I got an amazing idea. You feel me? So I got a crazy idea with those. So I ain't even gonna paint those. I'm gonna hit the gas cap too. So yeah, I'm finna go real stupid, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Bear with me, man, with the content, man. It's, whew, y'all know how I get, man, when that life kick in and shit. But I'm finna start back denching them out. But yeah, like I said, man, I'm finna just work on the appearance, interior and stuff like that. I already got my lights and my gauges, you know. Motor on the way for this too. You feel me? If you didn't know, yeah, that's for the people that did know, my new people to the channel. yes, my baby got a supercharger, and she is getting supercharged. Definitely. You know what I'm saying? For my folks that kinda new and just subscribing, this what the channel really about. I already got my parts, you know what I'm saying? Double rope timing chain. Got my LS7 lifters right there. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I'm going crazy. And I'm building a whole nother car. So if y'all watch my previous videos, that motor is in the shop currently. You know, I was going forged internals, but that bread for is crazy. So I'm gonna just go back regular, go ENA for now, you know what I'm saying, till everything get to jumping. Then never know, I might put a 6.2 in there. I don't know, man. But for now it's gonna be the 5.3 build, and this, you know, I'm gonna start back posting, even if it's just a little stuff. I don't post no sliding videos because I found out I gotta get a whole nother rear end for this car. So it's crazy. Like the power I'm gonna put at it, dude said that this rear end wouldn't hold. I got a 7.5 rear end. I need an 8.8 and up. So I'm gonna just go with an 8.8. Of course, that's like 1200. So dude was like, if it get traction, I'll break this one. Cause I was just gonna put the different ratio. I think I got 308s in here. I was gonna put 373s. You know, just a little power, but he was like, the power I'm trying to go for, it'll break. So that's all like the picture. So y'all probably won't ever see me slide this shit, you know, unless somebody, you know, donate me $1,200, you feel me? But nah, man, for real, I'm gonna keep the definitely gonna keep the content coming, you know what I'm saying, rolling in, at least working on the exterior of the car. So when I get ready to do the insides and the motor, everything else will be done when I drop the motor in, you feel me? So until next time.
I had to stay down to come up. I had to switch up my auto. Jumped in the Hellcat.